Hi everyone, it's Chris and Fadal with Fadal & Company Real Estate in beautiful Tampa, Florida. We're here at our latest residence for sale, 4684 San Martino Drive in beautiful Estancia, the most amenity-rich community in Wesley Chapel. And the single-family residence has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,300 square feet of living space, beautiful finishes, and most importantly, a wonderful water view. Join me as we take a look around.